Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box by default. So now we can check it. Let's open the box first, and here we have now any cases, and I think it's here inside of this paper box. So yes, as can you see, our device comes with the silicone protective case, the clear one by default. And if you wanna check it, also you can check it here on the box of our device. So here we can see here the package contents. So here we have the protective case also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.